Hi guys, in this video I can show how to use your old USB and old charging pin like a charger USB. Let's go to the video. Hi guys, this is an old charging and this is an old USB. Let's join this. And cut waste copper. And then solder it. Use soldering paste. Yeah, and solder it like that. Joining OS. Yeah, see, we done it. You can tape it and you can use like a charger USB. You can just tape it here. And you can use like a charger USB. It's a simple thing and you can solve it easily and safely. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment yourself. Thanks for watching.